lovely, so welcome back to my channel. So guys, this video is all about my Sarojini haul, and I thought of sharing this with you all. And yes, I went to Sarojini after this lockdown, so let's get into the video. Okay, so first I went with my friends a month ago, or like or 2 months. I don't remember actually, but that time I was there just to see what things we have. Like my friends bought so many things, and I actually bought this top, and I thought of wearing this now. So this is also a Sarojini purchase, and which is really beautiful, and this cost of only 200 rupees. I mean, yeah guys, like 200 rupees. People from Kolkata and other parts, you guys should come to Sarojini for shopping for sure. Like, yeah, so this top is really pretty, like puff top, you know sleeves, puff sleeve top. I just love this one. Anyway, so now I'm gonna start with my clothes. I am going to show you a pretty cute skirt. This skirt, I actually bought this for 200 rupees, and I just love this one. I mean, this is super cute guys, like super cute white little skirt, just rupees 200. Yeah, so I just love this one, and I am currently obsessed with white. Okay, next I actually wore this one. Actually, all of you know, like if you don't know guys, I am obsessed with night suits. I just love wearing night suits, and I have bought this cute night suit, which is little bad in condition right now because so this is a cute night suit. I have cute shorts. Yippee! This set is amazing, and I just love this. This is the cutest one I have. I love it. Next, I have one more night suit. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys, this is I think 350 rupees. So yeah, again one more night suit, cute little shorts. And then I have the upper one. This is the upper one, again super cute, with this polka dot print. And people who are obsessed wearing night suit, they can actually go to Sarojini and purchase all these night suits, almost 300, 350 or 400, not more than that. So I just loved it. Next I have, okay, I actually bought one t-shirt, a daily basic t-shirt. This one looks super cute, a pink one, like one of my favorite color. And this cost of only 100 rupees, like I can't even, and guys, quality wise it is actually good. I can't say that it is not good at all. Like, it is good, comfy t-shirt, just 100 rupees. Trust me, it is good. Next I have, okay, now I am obsessed with baggy sleeves, full sleeves baggy one, tops, and which I have this elastic here, which is so good, stretchable and good. I bought this This is again 200 rupees and I just love it. Guys, this is pretty cute and looks like denim. It is actually denim. This again cost rupees 200. Like I can't even, like my friends from Kolkata gonna come and shop from Sarojini for sure. So guys, come to Delhi, I'm waiting for you. So yeah, love it. And then I have, okay, this is my favorite. Oh my god, this is actually similar to this, almost similar to this, but this is little, the crop part is little longer than this. This is actually short. Oops, sorry. This is actually short and this is the pretty cute though. I mean the sleeve, I just love it. I just love this one. This is my favorite and I'm currently obsessed with this color. This is like a pink, peach pink or baby pink, like in between. I don't know, I'm wrong with colors maybe, but this is super cute. I can't wait to pair this up with something good. Yeah. Sorry. Next I have again white. I actually bought a lot of white clothes because guys, I have most of my wardrobe is full of red because red is my favorite color, and then I currently am obsessed with white. I love wearing white and it is so good for summers and I want to go out every time, so I thought of buying all whites. So this is again a cute one. This is the cute top, very cute top with baggy sleeves again and super cute one, right? This cost again 200. I am in love with this. Yeah guys, like so cute. Can't wait to pair this up with something. Okay, now I have NES's Pinky. This is a very cute top. Isn't it so pretty and cute? Yes guys, this cost of rupees 200 again. I just love this. Next. Oh guys, this is actually so cute and I thought of buying two of them. So I bought one pink and one lavender. Guys, this color is so pretty. It's super pretty. I just love it. Yeah. So these two, most of the tops are almost 200. So go to Sarojini and buy your clothes. Guys, next I have, okay, it is one, ouch, this is something I thought of wearing. I don't know how to pair this up. This is just a shrug kind of a like top. You can belt it up like using this. So if I'm gonna pair it up, I'm gonna show you all. So this is just, I thought of wearing this at home only. So I love this. This is like a pretty one. I love it. This is a white, cute, summer vibe voila clothes. So I thought of wearing this. So I bought it. And oh, this is my favorite. Again a white one with sleeves, net sleeves and puff sleeves here. This is super cute. Currently guys, most of the girls are obsessed with these kind of sleeves I think so. So even I bought a lot of clothes. I know these all are very similar pattern, but you all can get like different type of clothes. But you know, I thought of buying same pattern because I am currently obsessed with these kind of tops. So, and I don't have these. So yeah. So this is a cute little pretty top. I love it. This is again of rupees 200, and I actually saw all these tops on Myntra, and these cost of 400, 600, 800, like depends on the quality maybe. But I saw these same stuff of 400 to 800. So Sarojini is like, I won't lie guys, if you are typical unbranded, so you might not like Sarojini, but to be very honest, if you want clothes for every day, you should go to Sarojini and buy clothes. So that was the last but not the least one. And yeah, guys, I have lots of clothes here. I need to clean everything. Also, please take a moment and like to this video if you actually like this, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.